Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a kind and clever professor named Professor X. He lived in a cozy little house at the end of a long, winding path, surrounded by a beautiful garden filled with flowers and trees. One day, Professor X was working in his lab when he noticed something strange. A tiny, glowing object had fallen from the sky and landed on his workbench. Intrigued, he picked it up and held it in his hand. As he looked at the object, he could feel its power. It was a magical stone, and he knew that it could help him with his research. He decided to take it home and study it further. That night, as Professor X lay in bed, he couldn't stop thinking about the magical stone. He wondered what it could do and how it could help him make a difference in the world. The next morning, he woke up with a plan. He would use the magical stone to create a machine that could help people in need. He went to work right away, using all of his knowledge and skills to build the machine. For weeks, he worked tirelessly, day and night. Finally, the machine was finished. It was a beautiful, shining device that hummed and whirred as it worked. Professor X was so excited to see what the machine could do. He turned it on and waited with bated breath. Suddenly, a bright light shot out of the machine, and he could feel its power. The machine was working. It was using the magical stone to create amazing things. Professor X was overjoyed. He knew that he had created something truly special. He decided to use the machine to help people in need. He traveled all over the world, using the machine to heal the sick, feed the hungry, and help those in trouble. People were amazed by the professor's kindness and generosity. They called him a hero, and he was loved by all. He continued to use the machine to help people for the rest of his life, always remembering the magical stone that started it all. And so, the adventures of Professor X continued, as he traveled the world, using his knowledge and skills to make a difference in the lives of those around him. He was a true hero, and his story will be remembered for generations to come. The end.